Go, 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 go. Let's go to Opera House. Come on, guys. Let's go to Opera House.
Stay long.
No more stopping, Daddy, okay?
No more stopping. George Place. Okay, okay. I'm just videoing the place, you know. The scenery.
Careful, there might be a trap.
Rolex. So guys, we are in the George Street, heading to Sydney Opera House. Ang gaganda ng place dito, guys, para lang sa Bulacan,
Ano?
New South Wales.
May nag-comment sa Facebook eh. Uwi ka yung Pilipinas.
Ano to, Nard?
Tikisang nga kayo, di ba?
Enjoy the video, guys. We are at the George Street in Sydney.